this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the lock screen on your Android 15 phone. So you can see I have no more lock screen on here. I can just swipe on down from the top right, go to settings, and look for something called biometrics and password. And then under here there's going to be an option to disable your lock screen. So I'm just going to set a lock screen real quick. And once I set this, I can easily remove it. So I have this option for disable lock screen right here. Go to OK. And this is also going to remove your Face ID and then as well as your fingerprint. So you can just press this now and it should unlock right away. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.